Before the start of the video, subscribe to the channel, like it, click on the bell, and we start. The Zilliqa Cryptocurrency project is a fairly young decentralized digital currency that shares a number of characteristics and properties with the other popular Ethereum cryptocurrency. The main functional and conceptual difference of this coin from other cryptocurrencies is the absence of restrictions on the number of transactions carried out simultaneously within the crypto network. While this coin and its crypto platform are in the final stages of development, the official start of the project is scheduled for the first half of 2021. Zil's chart courtesy of TradingView. At the same time, even before the token enters the market, it is worth taking a closer look at its technical characteristics, as well as getting acquainted with how to mine ZIL on Nvidia and whether it is possible to mine this cryptocurrency asset within the framework of the Zilliqa mining pool. A bit of history. The process of creating the ZIL cryptocurrency was launched in 2016. At the same time, at the end of 2017, the authors of the crypto project presented users with a detailed plan for the development of the coin and its parent crypto platform. It is known that ZIL cryptocurrency is being developed by a team of 15 specialists. The development team is headed by the famous figure from the crypto world Shinshu Dong. Dong managed to graduate from the Singapore National University. In addition, he has experience in creating and improving blockchain technologies. Dong also took part in the creation of several projects from Indonesia focused on the development of new technologies in the field of digital security. The development team of the crypto project also included Pratik Saksan, who is the head of the scientific council of the project. Saks graduated from UCLA with a degree in computer science and technology. Crystal Kwek is responsible for the development of the marketing strategy of the crypto project and its promotion among users. Kwek is one of the founders of a television and gaming service called Bolt. In addition, Kwek is well versed in strategic consulting. ZIL outlook for 2021. The positive prospects for the Zilliqa cryptocurrency in 2021 are largely provided by the innovative approaches of the token authors to solving the problems existing in the blockchain world. Compared to other crypto coins, this coin demonstrates high stability and fast transaction processing. Thanks to these features, the platform is able to gain a foothold in the market and gain popularity among a certain category of users. Since the end of 2018, some other young crypto projects have begun to show interest in the technical solutions of the ZIL coin, which also confirms the relevance of the development of the authors of the token. Today, the price of one coin is $5. It was easy and free information, how easy it is for you to lie down and increase your financial capabilities. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.